Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Time for Tuba Tuesdays. We're in the new year and we still have 2 more days before the final open enrollment ends. And those plans will go into effect February 1st. So again, if you've picked the wrong plan, you're auto-renewed, or you've lost coverage, we have till February 1 to get you coverage. But I want to address some things that came up during this year during open enrollment that was misinformation that was given to clients. Number one, I had a client that their daughter had some pre-existing conditions, so daughter needed to be on Marketplace. Well, this client was erroneously told that the daughter could not be on a plan by herself since she was a minor, that an adult had to have coverage too. So that is not correct. What's true is an adult has to be on the application, but you can mark that the adult is not applying for coverage. So this poor client paid extra last year for coverage that she didn't need to have because another insurance broker gave the wrong information. I've done it many times, so I know it's possible. I've done all the trainings for FFM, so don't know why they were told that, or there's someone that was new and not very experienced or never had that happen and just tried to enter the child and didn't think to add mom or dad as not applying. So that's number one, misinformation. Number two is about the tax credits. I cannot tell you how many people, and I get a lot of people do not understand how the tax credit work and why they get a tax credit, even though I try to explain it to everybody. A lot of people have been told by their bookkeeper, CPA, accountant, that they cannot have Marketplace insurance because they make too much money. Completely incorrect. Absolutely everyone that is a U.S. citizen can enroll for coverage on the Marketplace. Now, whether you get a tax credit does depend on your income. So if your income exceeds a certain amount based on your family size, zip code, ages, then it is true. You may be paying full price for your insurance, but every single person can enroll on Marketplace if they want to. That is not a gray area. That is absolutely true. And if someone who is not a licensed insurance agent telling you that, it might be great to find out, maybe connect me with that CPA, accountant, or bookkeeper so I can explain the difference between tax credits and enrolling in health insurance. What's also concerning is that this CPA or accountant doesn't understand the tax credits and how it affects people's income tax returns. A little crazy there. And again, I'm not an accountant or a CPA, and I tell people that, but I do understand how the tax credits are based on your adjusted gross income, and the amount of tax credit you get is based on your adjusted gross income versus the cost of your premium versus your household size, ages, all of that. That is how that works together. Happy to explain that to anybody who's told you differently. So, 2 more days. Remember, the hard deadline is 2 more days from now on the 15th. In case you've made mistakes, you want to change it, any of those things, please get on my schedule before time runs out. Please check that your plan is correct. Log into your portal, make sure the premium is what it's supposed to be, because again, we only have a couple more days to get that fixed. So until next week, peace out.